Inside your cells are these tiny, bustling post offices. Today, we're going to take a look inside one. So let's start with a question. If your body is a city, how do things get delivered? Well, they're called the Golgi Apparatus, and honestly, you couldn't survive a single day without them. What does it do? Basically, it processes, packages, and ships all the important stuff in a cell. But get this, for decades, scientists actually argued about whether this thing was even real. Okay, so what does the cellular post office actually look like? It's a stack of flattened sacks, and in your cells, you'll typically find about 4 to 8 of these sacks stacked together. This whole structure isn't just random, though. It has a specific direction, an entry and an exit. Think of the sys face as the receiving dock and the trans face as the shipping department. So it's basically a little cellular assembly line. Come on, let's follow a protein through it. The protein moves from one end to the other, getting modified at each stop along the way. You can think of these changes like adding a shipping label or special handling instructions. Right at the end in the trans-Golgi network, everything gets sorted for its final delivery. So, where can they go? Some are shipped out of the cell, others go to recycling. And how are they shipped? They're packed into vesicles, the cell's very own little shipping boxes. Now here's the cool part. The Golgi's job changes depending on what kind of cell it's in. I mean, check this out. In plant cells, it builds the cell wall. In our plasma cells, it makes antibodies. And the list just goes on. It's involved in so much. It's kind of mind-blowing, really. Yeah, calling it the traffic police of the cell is a perfect way to put it. So if it's the traffic cop, what happens when you get a cellular traffic jam?